Using Japanese brand SMC electrical components, it runs faster and provides better stability and durability. 130 watts adjustable power laser cutter. The bag opening speed is faster. The machine can process a variety of fabrics. Double removable modes to place the fabrics to realize faster and more efficient performance. Advanced design for bag folding to achieve material moving while folding. Electric cylinder feeding circulation plate, more accurate and more efficient. The machine head is equipped with a middle presser foot, which greatly reduces the probability of thread breakage and needle breakage. And the sewing stitches are more beautiful. It has a function of automatic alarm and pause for thread breakage and no bottom thread. The fabric is widely applicable, woven, knitted, denim, etc. And the quality requirements can be met after targeted debugging for special fabrics and process requirements. Placing the fabrics by ones, no extra manual work until the process is done. It can be applied to a variety of pocket processes. Quick modes change, which can be completed in 10 minutes.